Okay, welcome to another video by Steam Solar. We just installed this client. It is a SUNGOLDPOWER split phase 48 volt system. As you can see, it's running right now. So I'll go through some of the settings here so you can see that it's charging and working. So it's 60 Hertz output for both legs, with the batteries at 54 volts. And leg 1 is, you see, 117 volts, leg 2 118 volts. The load is 1% on both L1 and L2. Right now that's the load on L1 and L2, and then that's how many watts is coming in right now because the batteries are fully charged, as you can see in each of them. You can see in each of them. So that's how many voltage, input voltage from the PV system. 608 watts right now. So we can kind of look in here, you'll see the inside the box here that we installed. So you see the fuse, and then you see the shunt. See, it's grounded from outside. This is the PV disconnect, and there are the positive and negative bus bar, and that comes up through there. These wires go down to the ground that way, and then over to the electrical panel. That's the PV wires that's coming in, and then go here to the disconnect or the shut off, the fuse, and then it goes up. It goes in this one. It goes to the PV. That's your positive, and that's your negative behind there. And this is the AC output. They didn't want any AC input. I guess they changed their mind, so they're going to do like a charger, like a charge burner. So after install that, they changed their mind. But that's inside the box. Electrical. Let's go instead of the wireway, we did a box here, so it looks nice and neat. And we have two batteries here. It's LifePower4. As you can see, they're fully charged on both of them. So here we have the breaker, and here is the stuff coming from the inverter. Positive, negative. We put a black because we didn't have any black wire, and the ground. So, you know, when you're in the country, you got to use what you got to use. So you can see that it comes up right through there. I got installed right there. So now that you've seen that, we're going to go outside and take a look at the panels. Alright, here we have the solar panels. So I believe there are 16 of them. I think 240 watts each. So the customer, we temporarily put those blocks, so we're going to get some 6x6 and dig a hole, put some cement around it, and anchor it to those unit struts all the way across. So for now, because they want it up and running, we just kind of did that temporarily, so it's leveled out at 30 degrees to where the sun is directly. So that's actually south facing, so the sun hits on the panels. I believe this is I'll do the math. I'll probably put it in the video of how many watts potentially by these 16 panels at, let me just verify, 200 and 2 200 actually 65. Right there, 265 watts. So they're all wired, and they come to this combiner box. So the cables come down. And they come over and they come down into this combiner box where they're wired into the house directly from here. And we have these steel posts that are 3 inches in diameter, and I believe they were 12 feet or 10 feet, and we buried them in the ground. With cement, all 3 of them, as you can see. So these can be rotated, you can see there, but it's very secure. So we can set them at different angles for the winter and the summer, but we just left it at about 30, maybe 35 degrees, and just set it. Like I said, we'll get those anchored down with some 6x6 and then cemented in and then anchored to the unistrut. So there it's mounted on the pole, and they go into here and they go up in there, and this is all silicone so no bugs can get up. And you can see we have it's grounded inside here. Too bad I don't have the key right now to open this, so just trust me, it's all wired up because it's working, as you can see that I showed on the first part of the video. And you can see that it's grounded 10 foot beaten into the ground, so if anything happens we should be good. So take one last shot and look at the front here. And yes, some of the panels are slightly different manufacturer, but they're all 265, and the voltage is maybe within 1 or 2 voltage off, but for the most part they're the right watts, and all the math works out. So all right, it's another successful job done by Sleem Solar.